Hey y'all, Joe here, Magnolia Blade and Gun. Tonight I want to do a real unboxing for you. I got off of Amazon one of these, it's a 65-piece gun cleaning kit. Let's just take a look at it here. I've been using those little like Hops brand gun cleaning kits. They're just junk. I mean, I say that, the little rods and the tips and everything are always breaking. So get in here, I'm trying not to puncture. Okay, there we go. We want to cut down into the kit itself. Alright. Got that open there. Let's see what we got. Okay. Lift this up out of here. The bubble wrap. Let me go to the side. Y'all come on down here a little bit. It's supposed to be a good little kit. Like I said, got off of Amazon. Had good reviews. Apparently I got into it upside down once. It looks like it's the Allen Ultimate Gun Cleaning Kit, 65-piece. Okay. Let's see what's in here. Okay. Looks like it's going to have plenty of storage. Turn around there for you again. Turn around here for you. Let's see. First, it's got these little compartments on top. Nothing comes in those, but obviously you can put whatever you want to in them. Let's see what's actually inside. I'm trying to do this backwards, y'all. Okay, let's look in here. Okay. Well, looks like, the first shelf, we've got stuff like cleaning rods. Fall this plastic off of here. Okay, you got your nice. Oh yeah, I can tell by the weight of these, much more heavy duty than my other kit. Your cleaning rods. Let me get back in there right. You got some patches over here. Patches here. You've got wire brushes of different types of wire. Bristle brush. You got even some Q-tips right there. And these rods are really, really heavy. That's nice. That's a first good sign of what's in this kit. All right, let's see. Looks like this comes off here. Okay, and I guess you can put stuff underneath there as well. So, put that back over the handle. Let's get down in here and see what's in here. Okay. Is that it? Huh. This is how it came from Amazon. Very strange. I figured there would be, brushes and stuff like that in here. Let me see. Surely maybe that's somewhere else. Oh yeah, okay. Gosh, man, I was about to get upset. Thought I got gypped. Look, this thing opens up too. There we go. Here's where all your real stuff is, right here. Man, I was scared right there. I was like, I got ripped off. Okay. So there's all your brushes. All nice. Everything. Here's something I was worried about when I ordered this kit. Let me flip this around so y'all can see it. Like this. Okay. All these brushes here. Let me come in here a little bit closer. All these brushes are numbered. 17, 357, 40 cal, 45, 50, 54, 410, 20 gauge, 21, 20, 22, 2, 43, 270, 30 caliber. So all those brass brushes are numbered. I was really worried they wouldn't be, but that's great. Of course, you got your mops here, 12, 20, 410. I said 21, I'm at 12 gauge down there. Got your rifle stuff, 270, 30 caliber, 357. Of course, you got your little Jags right here. And they're number 2, 308, 25. Everything. Look at this. This is what these things constantly break on me. And look, those are solid, like a brass or whatever. So much more heavy duty than those stupid plastic ones you get in those cheap kits. Of course, your little connectors and stuff like that. I'm really, really proud of this kit. I've got to go to my local gun store and get me some solvent and stuff like that to use with this kit. But yeah, this is the a 65-piece kit from Allen, and I got this one off of Amazon. I'll put a link to it in the description box below. Like I say, you get all this stuff here. Man, that scared me. I was like, I know I'm supposed to have a lot more stuff. So this little thing seals that up. Figure out how to get it on there. I'll be backwards here. Yeah, it goes on there. So, all right, you got that. And of course, you drop in your brushes, your rods, and everything right there. So, and of course, it's got plenty of space down at the bottom for all your solvent, whatever else, your extra patches. Everything's going to go here just a certain way. Whip this around. Okay, just like that. So, again, you got plenty of space down there. Keep all your solvent and everything else. And then you even got more space up top. So, very happy with this. I'll be honest with you. Like I said, I was concerned. All I've ever had experience with is those just really junky kits that aren't worth a dang. But this one, I think this will be my go-to kit here for a long while, and you can add to it. Thank y'all anyway for tuning in. And y'all please like my videos, sub my channel. Thanks for tuning in to Magnolia Blade. God bless.